I'm so happy to welcome all of you to our campus today for this very exciting announcement about an incredible collaboration between Villa Maria College, Daemen University, and Buffalo Rehab Group.
For 5 years, Daemen University has been working on creating a state-of-the-art rehabilitation facility where patients suffering from disabling injuries could come and access the world's leading robotic devices and assistive technologies that are typically unavailable all under one roof. And now, thanks to this wonderful partnership with Villa Maria and the Buffalo Rehab Group, as well as funding from New York State Senator Tim Kennedy, this facility is finally going to be a reality.
For me, I gotta tell you, I feel right at home for today's announcement, not just because Villa is always so welcoming, and because my wife graduated from Daemen University, but also because I'm an occupational therapist. I come from the healthcare field. And because of that, really set me on my life's path to where I am today and really how we ended up here with these incredible community leaders and partners from the healthcare field that work to help people each and every day. It's a fabric of Buffalo and Western New York. We are about helping other people. That's what makes us the city of good neighbors. That's what makes us such a special community. So when Daemen, Villa, and Buffalo Rehab Group came to my office and laid out their plans for the Institute for Mobility, Innovation, and Technology and what it would become, not just for the students they serve, but for the greater Western New York population in need of post-acute rehab services, we knew we needed to make it happen. And ultimately, with all of the partners that we mentioned already and the vision set forward by these incredible leaders, we were able to secure $1.2 million, which we are proud to deliver today to make sure that this vision becomes a reality for a future of innovation and technology that's going to transform this campus into innovation for the future, not only of the students, but of the community that is going to depend on these post-acute treatment services. Congratulations to each and every one of you for making this happen today.